I am Dr. Mohiadeen. Now I am going to give the elaborate lecture on thin layer chromatography. So regarding thin layer chromatography, the history of the chromatography usually origin from Europe during 1940. But that time that the chromatography is very basic. But now the chromatography developed very well for research purpose. The origin of chromatography is thin layer chromatography is first who is the first discover the person is Scriper 1939. Okay, Scriper working there, and the other person also his colleague chemistry man Corcosho chemistry. So actually this guy is from the pharmacy techniques. Both are jointly involved to develop the technique for use the analysis of pharmaceutical coating from her publications. In account that thin layer chromatography sorption could be used in the line of the strip of a paper. Also, they felt that the flat bed could be considered as a cut off the absorbent column. They believed that in carrying on the separation process in such a layer, the process would be accelerated significantly. In their work, they deposited drop of the solution being investigated on the flat absorbent layer, observed of the separation into the concentric circular zones, which could be visible because of their fluorescence in the light of UV lamp. The advantage of the thin layer chromatography: corrosive spray reagents can be used without damaging the plates. This is one advantage. And another advantage: simple method and it's a low cost. Recently, if you want to do if you want to put in the any solvent in the chromatographic separations, it is quite expensive. Maybe we use this method is a simple as well as at a low cost. Any type of the compound can be separated, even microgram and picogram are also possible to separate from this thin layer chromatography. Less quantitative MP and SP are required when compared with column chromatography. Detection is very easy and fast. After once you put all in the proper, the detection is very easy and fast. Very less equipments are used because this does not require much more equipments. Only limited equipments are used. It is very simple methods. It is also sensitive method when compared to other. This is highly sensitive method. No fake data you cannot expect. Only only raw data as well as the good data only we expect this. That's what this is also sensitive method. Okay, the principle of the thin layer chromatography, the major principle of the involved in the thin layer chromatography is adsorptions. What is that? Adsorptions. The compound which has more affinity towards ESP travels slowly. The compounds which has less affinity towards to the ESP traveler faster. The compounds of the separated based upon the adsorptions towards stationary phase. SP means liquid, MP means solid phase, silica gels. Practical requirements: stationary phase, glass plates, mobile phase. Methodology and procedures: preparations of the slurry, coating plates, and activated TLC plates, and applications of samples, development tank, and development technique, and detecting, visualizing agents. Once all over, we want to visualize all, so that's what visualizing agents is must. It means that develop the backgrounds. Visualizing agent means to develop the backgrounds, maybe spotted. This will give you a visualizing agent give you a colorations, then only we know what is this. Okay, what kind of solvent this. Okay, the stationary phase should be solid. It is on the absorbent material, silica gels and the aluminum oxide. Factors can be considered for choosing the adsorptions. Characteristic of the compound to be separated. Second, solubility of the compounds. Third, nature of the compounds, such as acidic as well as the basic as well as the amphoteric. Also, the considered to be a nature of the compounds. Whether the compound is liable react chemically with the adsorbent. Okay, this is the just basic information about the TLC. Selections of the glass plates. So how to select the thin layer glass plates? That is very important. TLC is the glass plate are used. Now these plates are commercial available, very cheaper when compared to others. Is this very cheaper? These are available in the different size. Okay. Now, mobile phase. Mobile phase means it should be more polar than stationary phase first. Second, it may be single or mixers of the solvents. Third, it should not react with the compound and spraying reagents. And fourth is that there are two type of the mobile phases, such as the hydrophilic mobile phase and the hydrophobic mobile phases. Okay, then okay. Anyway, preparations of the slurry. Powder. Slurry means powder or solvent or water may be mixed. The mixing of powder as well as solvent is called slurry. Is mixed with slurry is prepared. The optimum thickness is slurry is prepared. Okay. So anyhow, thank you for watching my short lesson of the thin layer chromatography.